When you need to replace your Quikpoint auger barrel, a few tips can be helpful. Some steps are obvious, so we'll be skipping those. We do recommend that you clean both the inside and outside of the tool before you start. Note that you leave the mounting arms in place. To remove the auger, you will need to uncouple the drill and detach the cam coupling. There is a short Allen key that retains the blue nozzle holder. You will find that this key fits the two cam coupling screws. You can now withdraw the auger and decide if it is suitable for reuse. Remove the small screws either side of the hopper. The auger barrel is often a tight fit in the hopper. A hammer and a drift such as a bolt can help to free it up. Ensure that the inside of the hopper is clean. Lubricating the new barrel with something like Vaseline or soapy water will assist you to get it into place. Once fitted, replace the small screws on both sides. Now you can fit the auger, placing one washer on the shaft so that it remains inside the hopper. The remaining two washers fit on the shaft between the outside of the hopper and the cam coupling. It's best to fit the cam roller at the same time. Note the flat area on the auger shaft. When everything is pushed together, you need to tighten the two grub screws onto this flat surface. With everything assembled, you now need to refit the drill at the back and the nozzle holder at the front. For more information on Quikpoint spare parts, scan the QR code, which will take you to the relevant pages on the website.